Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel eSport News. Today I will show you how to insert a text box in MS Word 2013. First open Microsoft Word document. Then go to insert. Then click text box, and there have been many shape. Simple text box, Austin quote, and Austin sidebar, band quota, তারপরে band sidebar, fact quote, fact sidebar, left, fact sidebar, right, and filigree quote. First select simple text box. You can see this is a text box. You can edit this text. Okay, search text box. And you can, using text box, a text move anywhere in your document. So you can remove this outline, double click the text box and go to shape outline and select no outline. When you select no outline, there have no border in this text box. You can see they have no outline or border. Then text box, we're using Austin sidebar. This is Austin sidebar, so you can write your title and text, what you want to add. You can change easily. You can change this color. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.